Hi everybody, Steve here. Today, let's talk about how to roll the perfect hand-rolled cigarette like a machine every time. Everybody can do it using a wooden template. You take a wooden dowel you buy from the store, cut off a piece, take 60 grit sandpaper, and then work your way down to 150 and then 220. Just going to sand that down by hand. And we can use a straight edge to back that sandpaper to give us that final straight, perfect tapered edge on a cone-shaped template, leaving us with something like this, depending on what size you want to roll. I use a filter made out of just I usually use a tea bag carton. Roll that up into a circle. I usually put a Z into it before I roll it into a circle. There's a few I rolled before, but that had made a road trip and a little bit worse for the wear. Start a timer, see how we do. Just as a comparison for the efficiency of this. I can't believe everybody doesn't roll this way. It's so easy and so perfect every time. It's almost ridiculous. How are you guys passing your coronavirus shutdown? I rolled back a couple of millimeters at the top of the paper just to give it a little bit of rigidity as I'm filling. You'll see that in a minute. Once you've got your paper set over the form, you can drop in your filter and push it down to the end. Now we've got our cone-shaped pre-made form ready to fill. A little handful, a pinchful of material dropped in, a little bit at a time to do layers so that you can pack it, rolling as you do between the fingers to get a nice even pack. And continue to the top. Another benefit about this method is that you can literally fill right to the top using all the paper. Zero waste. I like to give it one final roll between the fingers when I'm finished, just for consistency. And that's it. Ready to roll. Ready to burn. I hope everybody is taking care, staying inside, social distancing. Peace.